What it do, people? So I had a leak coming from my fitting on this hose on the air tank. So I gotta go replace. I don't see a hole in the actual tube, the air line. Check that out. Check this fitting now. Alright, got buddy off. So that 7/8, I had a 7/8, but it didn't fit around here. So I had to use this thing right here. It came off easy though. It wasn't in there hella tight. I'm off to get the part now. Alright, got the piece. The elbow. It's the top line. It's the elbow. 912. So I noticed what the difference is. This one got a metal blow washer, other than this plastic joint. Because my air was coming out this plastic piece right here on the edge right here. So that's actually a good look. Feel me? So focus on. Get that out the way.